It's nighttime. We're on Rua de São Paulo, so we're going to be following Rua de São Paulo, and we're kind of on this cross street too. So if we were to go up this hill, we go up to São Paulo ruins. We're going to catch it anyways as we're walking this way, and we're going to highlight what we can see at nighttime on this beautiful little cobblestone street with all the lit up streets, and then we're going to walk around São Paulo ruins and down a little bit. So it should be a pretty good little trip. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna head on down. This is that little street on the side there. And São Paulo ruins is basically around that corner. It's like over on that side. So we could of course walk up this one, but I want to focus on this Rua de São Paulo street, St. Paul Street. So we're walking down St. Paul Street. Rua is a street and São Paulo is St. Paul. Kind of nice and well lit up. You see all the residential places as well. And it's going to be a lot more lit up as we go down. And this is a little fusion place. This is a Paixão, Rua de Paixão. So this is a little street that has like graffiti and kind of cool little stuff like that. But yeah, if we were to go up that way, it's really beautiful. And São Paulo ruins is up that way. Let's just try to capture some of the lighting right here. Now you can capture this lighting like that. Actually, today I have it on kind of a wide view, so you can really capture imagery a lot better than other times. So let's just kind of see. That's actually a really good view right there. Umoon. So Umoon is like a little tourist shop. Let's just get a little bit closer if we can. And this is all over the city. This one's like kind of a pink sign, and then that's the Travessa de Paixão, because that's the name of that street that's around the corner right there. So yeah, that's really beautiful little space. So that's Travessa de Paixão. And that's Umoon. And actually now they have this magic shop is new. They didn't have a magic shop before. That's actually a new space. You got a little cat there. You got some of that. And a magic show. Okay. Beautiful lighting tonight too. I can't always capture it very well on the lighting, but today we're able to, so that's really good. Light music Macau. And then we're gonna walk straight up this way. And then in a moment, you're gonna be able to see São Paulo ruins, because it's right. Let's just kind of walk up a little bit around the sign. The sign will kind of blind the light a little bit. And that goes down to São Paulo ruins as well. So we're gonna follow that down as well. But before we do, we're gonna capture the beauty of São Paulo ruins, which is right there. Sometimes São Paulo ruins is lit up at night, but right now it's not lit up at all. It looks kind of like a dark space tonight, but sometimes it'll be like green for St. Patrick's Day, or different colors, like New Year's, they'll have different designs. But I think you can barely see it tonight. And this has turned into a Uniqlo. It was historically a historic colonial building, but then Uniqlo bought it and they kind of turned it into a giant shop, which is kind of what we're seeing a lot on this São Paulo street, is that a lot of it has been transformed with what do you call that? I don't know if it's called gentrification or not, but it's Rua de São Paulo. So the street turns into this street. So I guess Rua de São Paulo goes down where we started at, that cobblestone. And then it goes down a little bit. And São Paulo ruins is directly behind me, but then it wasn't really lit up, so we couldn't see it very well. But let's just see. But yeah, that's it. That would be it right there. I don't know if that'll come out in the camera later or not. I don't know if it looks a little dark. for me on the camera. But sometimes if I see it all full, it might look totally different. Yeah, it's really nice tonight. Here's a little Nike shop. So we're gonna see different stuff like that where there's like Nike shops or Nature Republic, I think, is on the street. Some of these things that you'd traditionally see in a shopping mall have found their way into these streets. And we're just going to follow this all the way down to Rua de São Paulo, and then we'll probably end this one. Got all these nice, beautiful antiques everywhere. It's nice. Okay. This is kind of just kind of capture. They cut up this and they sell it to tourists. So there's Rua de São Paulo going up. Pastelaria São Paulo, St. Paul Bakery. Okay. So we walk all the way down, we get all the way down to San Malo. Lighting is beautiful, it's perfect. Got all this meat here too, right? So I think that up here, Rua de São Paulo is going to end and turn into a different street. Let me see. So we're still at Rua de São Paulo. So you got some beautiful, it's like a shopping mall almost, right? Got this beautiful cathedral, Rua de São Paulo. Got a nice little shrine right here. Macau specialty store. It even has like all this stuff up there too. So we're gonna go down. I think that this street is going to turn into another street in a minute. Let's kind of check out some of the architecture like that. So yeah, nice and pedestrian friendly. And it comes out to a little plaza here. There's Nature Republic straight ahead. And I think once it hits this plaza, I think it changes into a different street name. So we'll just capture that other street. And this opens up into a little square. Yeah, there it is, Rua de Palha. So that was Rua de São Paulo, and I think Rua de São Paulo must end right at that spot where that church is at. And now we kind of come into Rua de Palha, and we have a little place to sit. And we also have like some of the stuff like Lush, stuff that you'd see at a shopping mall, right? It's kind of interesting. So you got like this Lush, Nature Republic. So I think what I'll do is I'll just keep the camera with me a little bit longer, and then we'll there's the Nature Republic, and then we'll go down to the end of the street of Rua de Palha, which Rua de St. Paul ran into, and we'll probably end it at this corner here. Yeah, this little street, this little place has some really good food. Beco de Palha. So sometimes I'll get this little dumplings down there, but I'm not going to get it right now though. So we'll come over here and then we'll end it. So St. Paul's Street turned into Palha Street. We turned into this one, and then we're going to end it right where this is at. Give you some context of things. There's a Chinese Portuguese bookstore, and the Portuguese embassy is all the way down that way. And then Senado, there's a big church that's up this hill a little bit. And then this one goes down to São Domingos, that little yellow church right there. And then this is the one that we were just on. So let's end it right there. Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha.